Various communities of Meitei internally displaced persons, IDPs from different locations, have submitted a joint memorandum to Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, urging to take immediate steps for their resettlement. In the joint memorandum, Churachandpur Meitei United Committee, Meitei Council More, Committee on Protection of Meitei Victims More, Apex Committee of Victims Villages, Ikau Sadhu, Yengkhuman, Dolai Thabi, Laitan Pokpi, Mairen Pat and Gwal Tabi, Meitei Union Kangpokpi District, and Torbung Gram Panchayat Victims Committee extended warm greetings to Khemchand on assuming office as the Chief Minister of the state. They further expressed belief that the new Chief Minister will guide Manipur towards peace, justice, rehabilitation and inclusive development. The committees further urged the Chief Minister to prioritize restoration of peace and rule of law across the state, safe return, rehabilitation and reconstruction for all displaced families. They also expressed hope that the Chief Minister will give precedence to justice and accountability of the victims of violence, protection of constitutional rights of all communities, and strengthening unity and social harmony in the state. In addition, the committees assured that they will extend full cooperation to the genuine efforts taken by the new government to restore normalcy and dignity to the lives of the affected people.